Hello traders, the title of the video is Practical Breakout Trading Tips. How to trade the breakout first candlestick at a cycle point. So I know what you are thinking. Maybe you are new to us. You don't know what is a cycle point. I recommend to traders to watch the video that I titled How to Avoid. Hold on please traders. I'm looking on my papers here. Where is it? I'm still looking. All right, I will find it soon. We get it soon, my friend. Stay with me, please. Don't run away. All right. So a cycle point is when the price performs either a positive 180-degree turn or negative 180-degree turn. Here it is. You can see here. The price did turn around 180-degree turn. So this point here is a cycle point, and what we are looking at here is the first candlestick bar, okay, of that breakout at a cycle point. I'm still looking for that video that I want to recommend to traders. Is about the cycle point. All right. Still looking. I'm just sitting now and I'm looking everywhere. Hold on, please. Today, what I will do, I'll pause the video for a second, look for it, and when I find it, I'll come back and we continue our discussion. Stay with me, please. I highly recommend to traders to watch the video that we titled Stock a Technical Trader Explains the Power of a Cycle Point in a Financial Market. Allow me to say again one more time, the title of that video that I'm recommending to traders is Stock a Technical Trader Explains the Power of a Cycle Point in a Financial Market at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, digit 2, digit 4, a stock trader YouTube channel that will give you a bit of idea about the cycle point. Another thing that I will recommend to traders is to watch the playlist about breakout trading playlist by 24 stock trader YouTube channel and also by the Pro Traders YouTube channel, so you may understand more about the breakout trading. Now let's go back to our main topic, practical breakout trading tips, how to trade the breakout first candlestick at a cycle point. So this is the first candlestick, a breakout first candlestick at a cycle point, this one here. So the first thing that we don't want to do is to rush and buy or sell at a cycle point. All right. So to avoid breakout trading mistake, when the first candlestick bar is coming out at the cycle point, is to allow that candlestick bar to close first. Now, professionals always wait for a candlestick bar to close. Even if they are scalping, they wait for at least for the hourly candlestick bar to close before they place a day trade or a swing trade. They want a candlestick bar to close first. This is just something you need to know if you are a technical trader. When you are about to buy or sell at the time when the candlestick bar is about to close, that will help you, okay? So because I'm on the monthly chart, this is the first candlestick bar, but I don't want to fall into that mistake because why? That first candlestick bar at a cycle point is not yet closed. How do I know? Checking the calendar. Today is the 20th of August. It will be closed on the 31st of August. So I can wait. I can put this stock on my bullish watch list and wait for that first candlestick bar to close. Good. Once suppose we are now on the 31st of August and that candlestick bar is closed, what do we need to do? We need to highlight the high, the low, and the median line of that candlestick bar because it's quite long, isn't it? So we'll highlight the high, the low and the median line of that first candlestick bar at the breakout point at the cycle point. First candlestick bar. Okay, that's the low if you accept that, and the median line. But this candlestick bar is not yet closed. But if at the 31st of August it stays like this, we draw it like this. Okay. What we are trying to do, the reason why we are doing that, is to know where is the best place to buy. Because if this candlestick bar stay bullish like this, the best place to buy is to allow the second candlestick bar to pull back near the median line. That's our expectation. The price may continue to go up or go down more. All right, but that's our first expectation. That's the best place to buy. We can also buy if the price breaks above the high of that candlestick bar, break above, retest, it goes up. Sometimes it can just run away. So you may say, where are you going? Wait for me. All right. And the price may ignore you. All right. Okay. So this is what we need to do at the breakout point. So because we have a cycle point, the price may continue to go up above the cycle point. So the cycle point is dividing the chart into two zones. The bearish zone below the cycle point and the bullish zone above it. All right, so we are giving priority to bullish signal above that cycle point, priority bullish trading setup in that zone. But now we see that the bullish traders were pushing the price up. The reason why they are pushing it very strongly here is because as the price came to retest the cycle point for the first time, the market did acknowledge that resistance because it was a resistance before. Price went down. So the first reaction was sellers. It is okay because people place orders here to sell. But the bullish traders say, no, 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 we don't want it to go down anymore. We don't want it to go down anymore. We don't want it to go down anymore. All right. So now they're pushing it up. All right. There are various scenarios that can happen here. Sometimes the bullish traders, because if they don't want the bearish traders to push it back down, they will push it away a bit more, like in a rugby game. They take it, they run with it for a while. If they push it away from the cycle point, they know that a lot of bearish traders will give up now because they know that this is not the safest place for them to play anymore because it's a bullish zone. Before they will allow it to pull back to retest either somewhere from a higher low or to come back and retest the cycle point. And understand that the stock will not go up or the financial instrument may not continue to go up even if it breaks above the cycle point, if the fundamentals are weak or the market environment is bearish. All right. So those are the scenarios. So price may do something like this. Second candlestick bar may be nice to us. Pull back to the median line of the first candlestick bar, allowing us to identify a bullish trading setup, and then we implement a top-down trading method to buy it. Sometimes the price may continue to go up, so you see like this. So price may find support above the high of the first candlestick bar, and printing out more bullish candlestick bar up before pulling back. All right. Another thing that you need to know, if you understand a little bit more about Fibonacci extension, what you can do is to apply Fibonacci extension to the depth of this V pattern. See here, this V. I'm going to use it. I'm not going to put it. All right. Let's put it all the way here and see what's going to happen. Okay, apply Fibonacci extension to the depth of that V pattern. And then you highlight the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. It's somewhere up here. Let's see if I move it a little bit. I use the conservative measurement. No, it's not showing up on the monthly chart. Let's go to the yearly chart. Hopefully we'll see it. Where is the data, my friend? Oh, all right. Okay, it's not showing up. So what I'm trying to explain to you, all right, was if suppose it's something like this, you apply Fibonacci extension to the whole depth of the V pattern, and then you highlight the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. The reason why you need to do that is because when the price breaks the bullish cycle point and they start running away with it, they may push it all the way to the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level, of the depth of that V pattern before they start pulling it down. So you want to know where is that 138.2% Fibonacci extension level applied to the depth of that V pattern. But very, very important point as I'm showing you this, talking about practical breakout trading tips, is that a lot of breakout traders, as they see that they will rush and start buying, and sometimes they probably will pull back, or they may time their trade, okay, wrongly, and they will end up losing, though, okay, their judgment was originally correct. All right, so just a bit of discussion, okay, to handle, okay, the first candlestick bar at a cycle point in mass close. First thing, when it's closed, highlight the high, the low, and the median line. We can buy, best place to buy near the median line. If the second candlestick bar pull back to retest it, or above the high of the first candlestick bar. One will also highlight the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of that V pattern and highlight it because it's a resistance ahead for us, all right, and the price may go up to that point before turning down, all right. So the bullish zone is above the cycle point and the bearish zone is below the cycle point. This is the scenario that is happening here right now, and you want to know how to handle it like a pro. All right, I don't want this video to be too long, so that's all for this discussion now, talking about practical, okay, breakout trading tips, how to trade the breakout first candlestick bar at the cycle point. Another thing that we can do to polish this strategy, we can look for candlestick pattern in the vicinity of the cycle point. So you may look for the inside bar. Do you know what is the inside bar? Let's look for one here. A beautiful, gorgeous inside bar. I can see one right now. To illustrate it to you is when, for instance, you have a bullish candlestick bar like this. All right. Suppose this is a bullish candlestick bar. And the next candlestick bar is just a very tiny candlestick bar that is located in the range of the first candlestick bar. This is what we call the inside bar. The reason why we call it inside bar is because it's within the range of the prior candlestick bar. So talking about the range of the first candlestick bar, is from the high, you draw a line at the high and the low. And if the second candlestick bar, the range of the second candlestick bar is within the range of the first one, that's an inside bar. Again, trader will highlight the high and the low of the inside bar. So they will be giving priority to bullish signal above the inside bar, above the high of the inside bar, and they will be giving priority to bearish signal below the low of the inside bar. So the point I'm making is that when the first candlestick bar at the cycle point is a breakout candlestick bar, one can also combine that with okay, candlestick pattern in this zone. This will allow us to have a bit of idea whether okay we should buy or sell. All right. As always, if you learn something new for the first time or you like this strategy, okay, use a demo account, okay, practice, practice, practice. The reason why I keep saying this recently is because on YouTube, there are different type of traders. There are traders that are very, very speculative, so they are looking for something that is working. So they see, they like it, and they want to use it straight away, and they end up losing, all right? So you don't want to do that. So, or people just think that the financial market is 1 + 1 = 2. It's not like that. There are more things in the financial market. So the risk control is very important. Look for trading setup. This is about the trading drill, the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. So if we violate the trading drill, which means you see a trading setup, a breakout is taking place. It's a bullish trading setup. And you just buy. It may work, it may not work. All right? But if you follow the trading drill, you will see that you start improving your technical analysis. No one can do that for you, even if you buy the best trading system out there with all kind of okay, powerful signal. They will not do that for you. All right, you have to, all right, you have to enter the trade. Even if the trading robot say buy or sell, do you just follow the robot and buy or sell? Unless you are using automated trading system and the winning rate is good, so you keep your finger crossed. Hopefully the robot will perform, which is good, everything is well. If the market environment change and the robot does not adapt, the trading robot does not adapt to the current market environment, or you do not understand what is in the black box, and that can cause all kind of a headache, and we don't want that. Okay. So as always, if you have any question or suggestion, or you have been trying this method, and so say, okay, George, I agree. Try to practice. I faced this challenge. Come back, put a comment there. Say, George, as I was trying this, I faced this scenario, blah, 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 blah. Okay, and then we look at it, and we record another video to clarify what was going on there. Okay, if you find this video useful, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. Your rating is very, very important for us. Your feedback is very, very important for us. Just give us a bit of idea to allow us to understand what you are thinking. And also will help us to push this channel in the right direction. All right? So if you like it, give us the thumbs up. If you think that, Joe, you have not performed very well today, that's a ridiculous video again today. All right. Feel free to mark it down, but do not mark it down just because you don't use the RSI or you don't trade breakouts. All right, because sometimes they mark video down. They say, I'm tired of you talking about breakout. I'm tired of you talking about RSI. I want you to talk about something else. Therefore, I'll mark it down. Don't do that. That's the wrong rating. Because sometimes we push videos. Like we are doing a series of videos, so sometimes you may notice that I'm just recording a video about RSI. Every day you see RSI. If you do not use RSI, don't mark the video down because you don't use the RSI. You will only mark it down if I have not performed all right, very well. That will reflect exactly whether, okay, I have been too tired or I've been talking too much. All right. So your rating is very important for us. All right. But if you think that this is an essential tutorial, again, feel free to share with other traders. It's very good to share video with other traders because more traders understand this thing. They will not delay your profits and they will not mess up your trade. And we all together, okay, cream the market consistently without too much problem. All right. This will conclude our discussion today about the practical breakout trading tips, how to trade the breakout, first a candlestick bar at a cycle point. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon. Thank you.